Hello everyone, greetings of the day. My name is Chahat. I read in 3rd A DAV Nursery School. You must be wondering, here I am and what do I have? Have some patience. I have an awesome surprise for you all. I am in the garden and this is a nest. Can you guess whose nest is this? Guess. Wear your thinking caps. Okay, I will reveal the reality. This is a nest of a Tailor bird. Tailor bird is a little beautiful bird with long tail, active and restless. They are cute and charming appearance. Tailor bird get their names from the way their nest is constructed. The tailor bird has a beak like a sewing needle. They make their nest with long leaves. They stitch two large leaves together with a bit of thread, straw, and dry twigs. Silk from cobwebs, cotton from seeds, and plant fiber. They uses big leaves. The single nest can contain between 150 to 200 stitches. The nest even has a roof to provide shelter from monsoon rains, shade from the sun. Making a nest is a time-consuming task. The process of making a nest can contain place in the morning or late afternoon. Over the course of 3-4 days, they make their nest in the month of April. The shape of the nest looks like an oval. The nest is so skillfully put together, very artistic and creative. The main motive is to keep chicks safe and predators out, such as snakes, lizards, and mongoose. The tailor bird builds its nest deeply in the dense group of bushes to protect itself from enemies. We can find tailor birds in forest edges, gardens. They are a common sight in the gardens of India and China. They are songbirds, 10 to 14 centimeter long. Feed on tiny insects like bugs, beetles, spiders, and caterpillar. But they are famous for their nest building technique. Their nesting habits are so captivating. It is really fantastic to see this bird making its nest. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you like my video. Allow me a minute, please. It is a humble submission not to shoot birds with guns. Shoot them with cameras because they are also God's creatures.